Hi everyone, today I'll be presenting my PEC100 Thinking Skill Portfolio video. So, let me introduce myself. Hello, my name is Sandhya Ramesh. I'm an MSU student in the F-TESOL program. Over the past semester, I've participated in several meaningful activities that challenged my thinking, creativity, and teamwork. In this video, I'll be sharing how I apply the thinking skills learned in PEC100 through 4 different group-based experiences: a treasure hunt, poster drawing under the SES faculty, building a sustainable city with recyclable items, and a 3D poster presentation project. Let's dive in! The first activity I joined was a treasure hunt organized by the MSU Badminton Club during an event. I teamed up with 4 other classmates and the goal was to complete a series of clues and challenges hidden across the campus. This activity required strong problem solving and analytical thinking skills. Each clue was a riddle, so we had to use deductive reasoning and teamwork to interpret them quickly under pressure. One particular clue was written in a poem format and required us to think laterally. It was a moment where our group's brainstorming skill truly shined. My role was to keep track of the clues we solved and suggest possible interpretations. I also used creative thinking by mapping out possible paths on campus and coordinating with my team to cover more ground efficiently. This activity taught me to remain calm under the time pressure and reinforced how communication and quick analysis are key when solving complex problems together. It was active learning in motion. The second activity was a poster drawing competition under the faculty of SES. We were asked to create a visual piece representing innovation and sustainability. I worked in a team of 7 and we started by brainstorming different ideas and symbols that could communicate our message effectively. I took the lead in sketching the layout while others added their artistic touch and ideas. During this process, we applied creative thinking to visualize abstract concepts like innovation. We also practiced decision making as a group, choosing colors, words, and drawings that would stand out and make an impact. What I appreciated most was how we gave each member the space to contribute. We divided the task based on our strengths. This collaborative environment helped me apply interpersonal thinking skills, especially listening and adapting to other suggestions. It felt rewarding to see how our thinking and teamwork turned into something visually powerful. I participated in an eco-based activity where we had to build a model of a sustainable city using only recyclable materials, which was held on our orientation week. It was both challenging and exciting. Our group collected used boxes, bottles, newspapers, and plastic items over a week and brainstormed how we could design a futuristic but eco-friendly city model. We began by planning the layout, zoning areas for residential, commercial, and green spaces. I contributed as an interviewer in my group. I interviewed all the members of my group on how they work to build this eco-friendly city model, and worked on contrasting the solar panels and green roofs using cardboard and plastic sheets. This activity heavily involved critical thinking. We had to consider real-world environmental issues like pollution, waste management, and renewable energy. Every design decision had to reflect sustainability and be debated on what features to prioritize. Teamwork was again crucial. We had to listen, suggest, and sometimes compromise. One of our biggest challenges was building a functioning wind turbine model from bottle caps and wires, which we eventually succeeded after multiple trials. That persistence taught me the value of trial and error and learning through actions. Lastly, I was involved in creating a 3D poster for a group presentation. Our topic was about 3 main cultural festivals celebrated in Malaysia, and we decided to make the poster interactive and educational. This project combined creative design with public speaking skills. We brainstormed on how to make our poster stand out and decided to include pop-up elements and mini lights to showcase the festive lights of Hari Raya, Chinese New Year, and Deepavali. For the presentation, I practiced practiced how to speak clearly and confidently. I share my part about the signification of Kain Bate and the Twin Towers on how we reflected unity and harmony through our designs. This was where I applied communication and presentation skills, learning to convey ideas in a structured and engaging way. After the presentation, we received positive feedbacks for our effort and innovation, which really boosted my confidence and motivation. Even though we had sleepless nights on planning what to create for this poster, but at the end, everything was worth it. Finally, that's all from me, and thank you for watching my portfolio video, and thank you to my amazing teammates who made these experiences so memorable.